In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to export your email list from ActiveCampaign. We'll walk through the exact path you need to follow inside your account, and I'll also explain what each option means so you feel confident about the file you're downloading. First, log into your ActiveCampaign account and look over to the main menu on the left-hand side. Find the section labeled Lists. Go ahead and click that. This page shows all of the different subscriber lists you've created in your account. Take a moment to identify the specific list you want to export. When you've found it, click directly on the name of that list. This opens up the details page for that particular list. At the top right corner of this page, you'll see an option labeled Export. Click that button to start the export process. A new panel or window will appear, asking for some details about your export. You'll see a field labeled Export Name. This is where you enter a name for the export file. It can be something simple and descriptive, like the list name and today's date, so that if you come back later, you'll immediately know what this export contains. Type in a clear, recognizable name here. Next, you'll see a section called Fields to Include. These are the data columns that will be included in your exported file, usually a CSV. Common fields might be email address, first name, last name, subscription status, and any custom fields you've created. Carefully review the checkboxes and select all the information you actually want to download. If you're planning to import this list into another tool later, make sure you include the fields that system will need, like email and any key segmentation data. Once you've chosen a name and selected your fields, click the Export button to confirm. ActiveCampaign will now begin generating your export file in the background. This might take a few moments, especially if you have a large list. After you click Export, you'll see a notification appear, usually along the top of the screen, with a link that says something like, "Click here to view progress." You can click that link to jump straight to the exports page. If you miss the notification, don't worry. You can always get there by going back to the left-hand menu, selecting Contacts, and then choosing Exports. On the Exports page, you'll see a table listing your recent exports, along with their status. Wait until the status for your new export says Completed. Once it does, look over to the Actions column and click the Download link. Your file will now download to your computer, and you've successfully exported your email list from ActiveCampaign.